This is a poem that I wrote on June 15th of 2011. So a while ago, and it's called Daylight Savings Time. Where I come from, you may wake up dead or find yourself missing, with dozens to weep on your behalf, but no one to avenge you. When I come from, police and politicians and thieves are triplets, Siamese, joined at the heart and the brain. Where I come from. Where I come from, sea views are obscured by metal bars, and you drive three different routes home at random just in case. Just in case. Someone is watching you. When I come from, I can't count on one hand the number of people I know who have been murdered for being too rich or too brown or too alive. Too alive for their own good, living free on the city streets at 7 p.m. when the sun was still up where everybody could see them, but nobody saw when they went missing. Where I come from. Where I come from, I don't sleep at nights. And years of living there has given my mother nightmares. So she doesn't sleep past 3 a.m., worrying about all the things a woman worries about. A woman with children far away from her in this dizzying world, unspoken, we woman a shift system. I close my eyes when I smell her coffee. It is neither an hour to be awake nor just going to sleep, but when we come from, this is how it goes. Listen for the first rattle at the door. Spring out of bed at the beckon of barking dogs. Watch the infomercials flash by with your heart in your throat. Barricade your room so the slightest change is immediately noticeable and wait for the sun. There are snipers and assassins and a world at war where I come from. Where I come from, we are no longer our brother's keeper. Not where anyone can see, at least. Out in the real world, the choice is clear: him or me. And no one wants to die. When I come from, we turn a blind eye and wait until we are at an unrelated telephone to dial 119, speaking voices not like our own, and hope no one overheard us. To save a life is to risk your own. Our sentinels have failed us. There is nowhere to run, and we are bordering on hopeless. Our dreams of heroes are shot. There is nothing but ourselves, and we are living in the vice grip of fear. There are no guarantees, it seems, other than it is getting closer, and one day it might be you. Pull the things you love close. Lock them in under one roof. Make a nest and never leave it. These are not the times to be outside. Burglar bar freedom and gunpoint liberty. This is emancipation, where I come from.